So when you sell at melanche, you must be selling at a larger quantity. Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So welcome back once again to our page at Sholex Farms, where we rear catfish commercially for food consumption. You know that people keep asking me which one is more profitable. Is it when they sell their fish at million size like this? These are these are million size catfish. Is it when they sell their fish at million size, or when they sell their fish at table size? I mean 1 kg and above. You know, when you sell your fish at million size, you would only make reasonable profit when you sell in tons, when you sell in larger quantity. If you want to make reasonable profit from million size catfish, you must be selling at a larger quantity. But if you are selling below, 100 kg, 50 kg, 200 kg, you might not make, some reasonable amount of profit. But fine, you can make profit, but it might not be huge. You understand? So when you want to sell your fish at million size, you should be selling larger quantity. Or if you want to increase your profit, you can smoke part of the million size catfish. You can smoke them. You can add value to it. You know, when you add value to your fish, you add more money to your pocket. You can add value to some amount of the million size, then sell the rest as a melange. So, but when you sell your fish at table size, there's nothing sweet as raising your fish, and when they attain minimum of 1 kg upward, then you sell to make profit. That is when you make much more profit. But when you are selling at million size, make sure you are selling in a larger quantity. I mean larger quantity. That is when you can make reasonable profit from million size catfish. I understand the fact that some farmers are forced to sell their fish at melange size due to the increase in the price, in prices of fish feed. But make sure you are not selling to make loss. Like I said earlier, you can smoke some parts of your million size catfish. This sets now you'll be smoking some set and be selling some set out just to increase our profit margin. So you can decide to stock 2,000 fish or 3,000 fish, sell half of it as melange, smoke some parts, sell some as table size. Just do every means of maximizing profit in your catfish farming business. So when you sell at melange, when you sell at a table size, just make sure you're making a profit. But when you sell at table size, it's still much more preferable when you raise your fish to 1 kg and above. So that will be that for today. We are about to weigh this set of our fish and smoke some and sell out some as a lunch as well. We still have other fish on our pond. We have table size, we have million size, and we have the smoked catfish also here on our farm. So that will be that for today. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.